In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the platform Make to effectively back up your files to Google Drive. This is a crucial skill to ensure that your important documents and data remain safe and accessible even if something happens to your local storage. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Make website. This is the platform we're going to use to automate the backup of your files. Make sure you're logged into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the Create Scenario section. Scenarios in Make are essentially automation workflows that you set up to carry out specific tasks automatically. Next, you need to choose a trigger. A trigger is an event that sets your backup process in motion, so it's essential to select one that suits your needs. For example, if you're backing up files from Dropbox, you'll want to choose Dropbox as your source. After selecting Dropbox, you'll need to pick Watch Files as your specific trigger. This means whenever a new file is added to Dropbox, it will trigger the backup process to Google Drive. After selecting the appropriate trigger, it's time to connect your Dropbox account to Make. This step is crucial because it allows Make to access your Dropbox files and perform actions on them. Make sure you follow the on-screen instructions to authorize access. Once this is done, remember to click Save to confirm your choices. Now you'll add the Google Drive module to your scenario. This will allow the files from Dropbox to find their way into Google Drive. Like with Dropbox, you'll need to connect your Google Drive account to Make. Again, follow the prompts to ensure Make has the necessary permissions to access and upload files to your Google Drive. With your accounts linked, it's time to choose the destination folder within Google Drive where you'd like your files to be stored. Take a moment to think about your organization strategy. Having a dedicated folder for these backups makes them easier to locate later on. Finally, don't forget to click Save again, cementing all your setup actions into a functional automation. Your scenario is now complete, and from this point forward, any files that get added to your designated Dropbox folder will be automatically copied over to your Google Drive. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an automated system to back up your files from Dropbox to Google Drive using Make. This system will save you time and give you peace of mind knowing your files are securely backed up in the cloud. Thanks for joining today's tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tech tutorials.